I'm about to present about the proposals of my research. The research title is Effects of Skimming and Scanning Techniques in Learning Reading Comprehension Skills for EFL Learners of Qatar University. About the problem related to languages and cultures in the context of learning as an English major student. I have for myself as well as my classmates having many problems in improving English academic capability. We have ineffective learning mindset, inaccurate learning plans that lead us to slowly enhance English knowledge. Moreover, in the context of English study major, we do not have clear orientation for future career after getting graduated, so that we become confused and we cannot find a motivation to try our best. And for this problem, we have full improvement over the time learning English. The ideas for the research come from my observation. I discovered that there are a lot of English learners who have trouble due to lacking time when doing English tests, especially reading comprehension tests. Perhaps they do not have right methods to do the test and waste too much time on unnecessary tests, and maybe they divide their time for the parts of the passage or essay unreasonably. I think they need to practice reading skills probably and apply some techniques such as scanning and skimming to have better results when doing reading comprehension. Research has the purpose of measuring the capacities of English learners on the aspects of using skimming and scanning techniques to improve reading skills in particular reading comprehension skills. The research from the study can be useful for learners to choose right methods in learning as same as to make use of them in the right way. The research questions of the studies are: why do learners employ scanning and skimming techniques in their reading learning progress? And the second question: what are the effects of skimming and scanning techniques in improving reading comprehensions of English learners? The first research question give me the reasons the learners apply scanning and skimming techniques in their learning progress. And the second research question provides the information related to the aspects of techniques affecting in reading comprehensions that learners discover. In terms of knowledge of the research, I discovered that there are a lot of aspects of building good reading skill, especially reading comprehension. Besides, I find some benefits of the technique from the related articles. From that, I set up the features that skimming and scanning might have effects on English learner to help them enhance their ability when doing reading comprehension. There are several studies having been done about this topic. Andy Mawati in 2015 conducted a study to find out the effectiveness of scanning strategies in improving students' reading comprehension. This was a quasi-experimental research designed with retest and post-test. The results of the study indicated that the students improved their reading comprehensions after the treatment of skimming and scanning technique. The students finished their tests faster, sell the time, and also improve in inferential and critical level comprehension. In another paper, Intent, Senti, and Deti, in 2018 analyzed the skimming and scanning techniques to improve the students in teaching reading comprehension. The research employ qualitative approach using observing, interviewing, and documenting. Based on the findings, the students can easily find ideas, keyword, contents in the test. In addition, they can answer the questions quickly and correctly. In my question, I made use of semi-structured interviews to collect research data. I provide the participants a set of questions related to the topic. I interview them directly to making phone call and recording our conversations to save the qualitative data. The participants of the research are English studies major students of Contact University. I select the participants based on their learning background, having a lot of information to do with my topic. Moreover, their experiences in learning English, especially reading comprehension skill, may provide authentic and reliable information of English major. And that's all of my proposals of the research. Thanks for listening.